out there. This is Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. Now it's going to be your super duper show. What it is? It's our beautiful cotton collections, salwar materials. It's a casual wear and office wear and work from home wear. However you can call it. The first salwar is the same how I am wearing, and these are all materials. It comes with the set wise like top material, pant material, and then with the dupatta. So this is the chiffon dupatta for this, and this is the pant material for this. And these are all nice bright Indian colors. And the second one is this. It comes with this super duper pom-poms down over there, and see this. And with the zigzag pant, a vertical zigzag pant, and then with this amazing dupatta. Next, all-time favorite color combination. So people who ever missed last time can go for this salwar material. See, this is the top for this. This is the same color pant for this, and this comes with a beautiful pussycat chiffon dupatta. Then the next is this. See, this is something really different and new. A nice printed top, and then with a vertical stripe printed pant, and with a pussycat bandhani chiffon. These are all pure chiffon dupatta. It's worth for the money. And this is a pale yellow color top. It comes with a ikat printed top, soft cotton top material, pant material, and then with a nice chiffon bandhani pussycat dupatta. And then the next one is it's a green color with laria design, and this is the top. Alright, and this is the pant for this, and this comes with a beautiful lovely soft chiffon dupatta with pom-poms, tassels all over. It's a polka dot, small little polka dots top. You can find embroideries on both the sides, and this is the pant for this, and this comes with the modal silk cotton. It's a cotton dupatta actually. Nice soft cotton dupatta. It looks like modal for me, but it's not modal. It's a nice cotton dupatta, soft and fine. And the second color is this. It's a blue color, navy blue color, with a contrast matching pattern, soft cotton dupatta. And then the next comes our French knots. French knots are always in demand. It comes in new concept, and today it's a very new concept. The French knots, it's all over the top, and then this is the pant, and the surprise is this dupatta. See this, so nice and fine, lovely. You can find all the pom-pom sticks all over the dupatta. Something really nice and happy feel it gives. And then see this. This is also something really elegant one. The range could be 2,100. So see this, the top. The folding is little different. So anyway guys, sit back, relax and enjoy my show. And this is how it looks, but the length is really good, and you can find minute embroideries inside the material. And this is the pant for this, and this comes with the nice amazing chiffon dupatta. The dupattas are all too good, and really it's very lightweight and very nice as well. And see, this is all casual wears, and this is the top, and this is the pant, contrast matching. And once again the surprise is this dupatta. See this, you can find crochet work dupattas. So this is how the dupattas look. It's so nice and fun. And once again, it's a deep bright red color bandhani printed top, and you can find the patchwork pant. The pant fabric is really different and it's very nice, and this comes with a beautiful chiffon dupatta. And then see this, all are cottons. Please read the descriptions carefully and then place your orders. And this is also cotton with embroidery. I think it's a fine chanderi by cotton with embroidery, and this is the embroidery design on the neck pattern, contrast matching pant, and nice chiffon dupatta. See this with embroideries, with also a nice tassels. And then comes our top with this patchwork. It's a cut work Alright, and cut work, and it's been patched, and this is the pant for this, and this is a patchwork dupatta. Lovely it is. It's a nice cotton, lightweight as well. I've got nice colors in this. It's a blue, Bengal gram, green color it is, and then once again it is a blue color, and the third color is this. It's a deep maroon, where we have got nice patchwork dupattas for all these stuffs. So the next one is a modal silk with hand embroideries. See this, so nice and happy salwar it is. You can find beautiful roses all over. Then neck, and then it comes with a contrast silk cotton pant with this dupatta. So nice and amazing worked dupatta. The dupatta is really lightweight as well, and fabric is really good, and the color choice is also so nice and exciting. And you can see this busy lazy kind of fabric. The fabric is too good, and this is the pant for this, and this comes with a nice chiffon dupatta. All are different concept. And once again, it's a cotton top material. It's a deep red color, orangish red it is, and it's a contrast matching yellow color pant with this pussycat chiffon dupattas. And my favorite is this. Last time also we got this stuff. It's sold out, and once again it's back. And this is the pant, printed pant for this, and the dupatta is all tie and dye shiboris, something different and nice. And next this, it's a half tazzer fabric. The look will be like a linen by tazzer kind of fabric. Alright, and see this, you can find nice hand embroideries on the neck, bullion stitch it's called as, and this is the pant for this, and this comes with the modal silk dupatta. So the dupattas are so pretty in this, and I've got one more color. It's a purple with navy blue concept, something nice and fine with a bullion French knots kind of stitch all over. Cut works. See this cut work. The fabric is so nice. It is like a linen fabric, but still it's very lightweight. Linen by cotton, but still it's lightweight. You can find nice cut works below. And then this is the pant, and the surprise is this cut of dupattas. So that is how it is. So lovely and beautiful. And I've got nice colors in this one, 2, and then the third colors. Alright guys, we are done with beautiful salwar materials. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing our collections. So we'll be back with lots and lot more collections. Stay tuned with Shivani's Boutique. Thank you so much, and bye.